Hello Hyunanimous friends! Welcome back again to my channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today's video, I will teach you how to make a DIY face mask without sewing. Yes, using the two materials, handkerchief or bandanas, and the rubber band. So in 1 minute, you can make a face mask. Okay, if you want to know how to do this, don't forget to like and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Unanimous friend, let's start to make a face mask using this handkerchief. Okay, you need to fold the handkerchief into two parts. In the middle, 1, 2. Next, fold it back. 1, 2. Using the rubber band, insert here. Then your handkerchief is already done. You can put on your face now. So Unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. I love you. Until next video, until next time, bye.